Hi, this is Chris Griffith and I'm here with this fantastic screen from HP that's coming onto the Australian market. What you get is the most amazing 3D experience that you could imagine. Things that are on the screen literally will jump out in front of you. Let's try and just pull out this model from the screen. You can see we can bring it up in front of the screen and turn it around and even look at the back as well. We can do it for everything, including that big house. If you look at the side, it looks like the model is actually sticking out in the middle of space. We have here a display that is about mechanical design and engineering, and again we can pull the elements up. We can have a look at this item here and turn it around. Notice we have the dimensions actually on the side of it. If that was a component for something we were building, we could take note of that and change it. Now let's look at this watch here. We can again pick it up with the wand, bring it out and make it bigger. So you can see we can kind of make it a lot larger just by clicking there first, and then bring it out, and we can even read what's on the back there. There's some insignia on the back of the watch. We can pick up the heart, turn it around. Now imagine if you're a kid learning biology in school these days, how fantastic this would be. We can actually look at sections of the heart and make them transparent. So using another button on the wand, you can see here we're making those individual parts transparent. So if we pick the heart up now, and we can kind of see the valves inside it, in the ventricles there. You can see the valves, you can turn them around, you can look at this heart from every direction imaginable. If you want to actually look at the minutiae inside the heart, there's this little virtual camera, and you can pick that up and notice that we've got a display on the display, and you can take that inside any part of the heart, turn it round, and you can see inside that heart when you look at the little display on the angle there. Another remarkable feature is when you actually pick up the heart, you can feel it beating through the sensor. So you get this sensory feeling. It feels like you've got a real object in your hand there. Here we have a mechanical arm, and this is an example of how you could design and build objects in 3 dimensions and change them. You can actually put together a whole object, and then you could create 3D printed files. You could then create actually real physical world prototypes. Now that's the HP Zvr. Now already there are companies out there like Dassault, Siemens and Autodesk that are making software for this in mechanical engineering, in biology, in all sorts of applications. Now it's going to need that content to take off, but I understand that it's on its way.